Hi everyone. GDPR compliance is a convenient tool for processing users' data in Zendesk according to privacy protocols. We recommend creating a contact and ticket list to process data in bulk instead of every person's data treatment. So in this video we'll show you how to separate your contacts and tickets into lists to retrieve, delete or anonymize data. Let's start by creating a contact list. First of all, go to the Settings tab, select List Management, Contact Lists, add New List. While creating a list, you need to add name, description, and set conditions to divide contacts into groups. Now, let's see how we can filter your contacts with different conditions. Filter contacts by tags. The first way to separate a contact list by criterion is to add specific tags to users. For example, you want to anonymize GrowthDot customers' emails. To do so, look up the conditions drop-down list for the tags that fit the requirements of the future email and enter the needed tag. If you haven't used the tagging feature in Zendesk before, you need to enable it before creating and adding tags to users and organizations. To do so, click the admin icon in the sidebar, then select Customers. In the section Tags on Users and Organizations, click Enabled. Click Save tab. Filter by custom user fields. It is also possible to filter users by setting certain custom field values as criteria for forming a contact list. The process is very much the same as with setting tags as contact list conditions. Here's how we set up condition with a custom checkbox field. Filter by standard fields, like created it, updated it, etc. These fields are updated automatically, so you don't have to perform any actions to set conditions. For instance, you want to delete data of all old users according to European privacy protocols. In this case, you can just select the corresponding dates in the Created It field. Ticket list. In general, the process of creating a ticket list is almost similar to creating a contact list. The difference is that conditions contain a different kind of fields. For example, priority or requester name, but obviously, this is a different type of data. To create a ticket you need to open the Settings page, and then go to the List Management tab and select the Ticket List tab. In the upper right corner, click the Add New List button. Then, follow the same steps as for the contact list and click Save. When you've finished, you can run the needed data process. Watch our videos to improve your Zendesk and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about our apps, services, and themes for Zendesk.